Okay, I believe you can keep the 4-cylinder fuel tank and like leave it just how it is, but I'm taking it off. I'm going 2003 Cobra fuel tank, and I'm gonna start off by taking these 3 bolts out, and we'll go from there. So under here for the fuel tank, there's 4 bolts there. Take them off. Next step, disconnect all your fuel lines, fuel filter. These 2 bolts are here, one here, one there, and then I think it's gonna start coming down, but make sure all the lines are disconnected first. So do that. I forgot, I already removed the fuel lines, so I don't really have to remove a lot of stuff. Other than that, time to take these off since these are out. I don't know what the hell this is. I'm about to find out in a bit. It's a tube, the tube from the fuel tank side. So take this little bolt out right here, and we're gonna slide this out. All the way down?
Yeah.
Alright, I gotta really disconnect the harness.
Yeah. Get rid of this bracket.
What bracket?
This bracket.
Oh. Hold on, there's a shape. Wait. It just goes down like this. I can't. I gotta use both hands. You have to.
What do you want to do?
There's a wider shape here and here. It needs to match this.
Oh.
Spin it, yeah. You're almost there. You need to spin a little bit.
Okay, wait, spin it.
Yep, that's it.
Slide this on.
Should slide
You
out.
don't need this, right?
No, I don't. I'm gonna use the Cobra one. Well, unless I can make this one work. And that's how you take it out, guys. So rear end out, gas tanks out. Okay. Last thing you gotta do is just disconnect this line here. One right there. Fuel pump power.
It does.
And you're done.
Can't see.
After that, you're done.